Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page. If you have a business and you want to promote it online, then the Facebook business page is the right platform for you. So it doesn't matter what kind of business you have. It can be affiliate marketing, real estate business, insurance business, health and beauty, weight loss, fashion design, or even automobile business. Alright, so if this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into the video. So to be able to create a Facebook business page, you need a regular Facebook account. So if you don't have a regular Facebook account, I will advise you to create one, or you can check out tutorials on YouTube. Alright, so after logging in, click on the plus button, top right, then click on page. So this is the new Facebook interface. Give your page name. This is the product I would like to promote. It's called Builder and it's a digital product. You can use it to create landing pages, email marketing, website. I'll put the link in the description below. So what's the category of your business? I'm not sure if I'll have Builder in there. I doubt it. Alright, so when you don't have the specific product name in the category, what you have to do, think about what this product is about. So in my case, it's about digital marketing, so I'll type. Alright, so I don't have digital marketing here, so I'll choose digital creator. Alright, internet marketing service, and one more, because you can add up to 3. Alright, so I have one more left. But you can change it later, it doesn't matter. So right now I have to give a description. For me not to waste too much of your time, I've crafted it already, so I'll just copy, go back and right click, paste here. Alright, so I have everything set, but remember you have up to 225 characters. Click on page and we need to scroll down. So now we need to add a profile photo, which is your logo. I have it done already, so I will click on here and this is it. Upload. This is how the logo gonna look like and I'm happy with it. Now I'm gonna add the cover photo. Alright, so this is the cover photo and everything is looking nice. Make sure you have everything in the middle of the page. If you have a photo or image on the sides, sometimes you end up losing it. So then click on save. Close this, leave, because I want to do everything on the home page. Alright, so next we need to add more business details. First, I'll try and create a username. Normally you need to get 25 followers before you can create it, but you know Facebook keep changing things, so I'll try. If it doesn't work, what I'll do, I'll just leave it, and after getting 25 followers, then I'll come and create my username. Create a username and I'll say you have 50 characters limit. So next, click outside the box. This username is taken, so I need to create another one. I'll take the S out, click outside. Good. This one is not taken, so I'll click on create username. Right, so click on done. In your case, you might not be able to create your username right away, but in my case, it was different. So please don't freak out if you are not able to create your username right away. You can do it after when you get 25 followers. After this tutorial, I'll take off the S just to make it Builder tutorial. Over here too, I'll change it to Builder tutorial. So next, we need to add a button. So click here. If you want people to follow you, make it easy for people to follow your page. View gift card, start order, book now. This is good for hotels and airline booking and stuff like that. And you have call now. If you want people to call you for service, contact us now. Choose a website where people can find your contact information. Okay, so this is what I want. So I'll click on it. And now I need to drop the website link. Click here, right click and paste. It's checked, that means it's good, so I'll click save. Alright, click on more and click about. Then click on edit page info. So we'll move on to contact. If you have a business contact number, you just have to enter it here. But first, you need to select your country and add a number. My page doesn't have a phone number because it's just online, so I'll click on this. Your changes have been saved. WhatsApp phone number, I'm not using it, but if you have for your business, you just have to choose your country and add the number. In my case, I don't, because I don't want to do that. This is not applicable to me. Alright, so I'm not promoting my email on this page, so I'll click here and so right here I'm directing people to my builder all link. So scroll up and location. Do you have a business location address? Then put it here. Especially if you are running a restaurant or a boutique shop, this is the right page for you so that people can locate you. This doesn't apply to me, so I will say my page doesn't have a location because remember my business is just online. Additional business details, let's see. Does your page have a physical location that customers can visit? I don't have something like that because I have online. Does your page travel to its customers? I will say yes. Can customers buy your goods or services online? I will say yes, because if they click on the link and they buy something through my link, that's what it means. So up, business hours. Alright, so as you can tell, it has automatically selected the right box for me. If you operate like Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, but Saturday, say 10 to 4, you will select this one. Alright, so all this doesn't apply to me, but if it applies to you, you just have to work on it. Then you go to more. All these things doesn't apply to me. So as you can tell, it has already ticked this unspecified, okay? So this is what it means. I will close it. Alright, so next I will show you how to create a post, but before that we need to check our settings. Okay, so you have the general settings, page published, yeah, it's published already. Visitor post, anyone can add photos and videos to the page. Let's see, allow visitors to the page to publish post, allow photo and video post, review post by other people before they are published to the page, disable post by other people on the page. Leave it open for now, because if I have to click on review post, which means even when people have to share something or provide some good information, I have to go through that, and that's a waste of time. So I'll leave it open until something happens. Alright, so cancel it. Alright, so page moderation, blog post or comment containing the following words. So you're gonna add the words, then you click on save. So it helps you to filter it. Profanity, turn off. So let's see this. I'm gonna turn it on to medium. Alright, so people cannot just say weird stuff, because this will help filter your page from stuff that are not okay for your page. So I will save the changes. Alright, so let's go down, choose where your page is recommended and stuff like that. Okay, so these are basic stuff that you have to go through. So let's move on to messages. Let's see what's there. Alright, so let's go to page info. Page info, I have everything set. Okay, so go to settings one more time. So basically this is the main thing you have to worry about. Apart from that, nothing really. Alright, so let's go back to the home page and click on pages, and it's saying I have one new page. Okay, so click on pages. So as you can tell, I have two. This is my first page, make money via affiliate marketing. You can check it out. Alright, so let's go back to it. So now whenever you have to post something or answer a test, make sure you use the right page. Okay, alright, so now I will show you how to create a post. So scroll down and ignore all this. Then you click on create post. I don't know why they put it way down there. I will say alright, so I'll enter and I'll go back here. Alright, so I'll promote this video. So what I'll do, I'll click on this and I'll pause it. I'll click on share, copy this, then I'll move to Facebook and I will drop the link. Right click, paste. So it's gonna bring out this, but I'll close it and I'll put some hashtags. So I'll add some emoji here just to pop up. Then I'll click on post. So this is it. So this is how you post on your Facebook business page. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. So I wish you all the best. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.